So people get confused about what to carry on a trek. So we'll be going on a 15 days trip, and out of which 5 days will be a trek, and the rest of the days will be a trip to different places. So we'll show like what all we are carrying out on our trip.
For trip, we have packed 2 pairs of jeans, 3 t-shirts and 1 ethnic dress. In trek, temperatures can often fall below -10 degrees Celsius, so it's important that we dress in layers so that you can remove layers when you feel warm.
The first layers will be like thermals, a fleece, a t-shirt and a jacket, and at the bottom a thermals and a track pant.
Next comes the most important thing, medicines. So carry basic medicines for fever, cold, vomiting, loose motions, and also if you have any regular medicines, but do not consume any medicine without consulting a doctor. And also carry band-aids. They are very important while trekking. You never know when you can get a shoe bite, so that's very important. And also a cough syrup if you catch cold there. And also you can carry a Vicks vapor up or maybe camphor, because you might get some breathing problem on high altitude, so that can be a resort. Also, if you have any altitude sickness, do not forget to take medicines for that too.
But make sure that you are getting it prescribed by a doctor. So for foods, we are carrying chocolates, nuts, dry fruits and dates, especially because it gives a lot of energy while on trek. And we are also carrying
Chocolates, biscuits,
dry fruits,
wafers,
and some few more essentials like carrying a moisturizer is very important. So we can carry this and the Borolin maybe, and some sunscreen is also very important because it may be cold, but we get tan very easily and we don't understand that, but should carry a sunscreen, which will be better if you carry a SPF 50. And a face wash is also very important to carry there, and you can also carry a small face wash. You can use this as a hand wash in like while you're traveling on a train or something like that. And also carry a lip balm, it's very important.
Since we are traveling by train, so it's very important that we carry some surface sprays with us. This has been a companion since COVID started. And so some hand sanitizers, a small hand wash, some wet wipes, some disinfectant wipes and sanitary napkin, very important. Also head caps and gloves compulsory in train, so it's mandatory to carry them with you.
Carrying a mask is very important.
Carry at least 5-6 masks if you are on a 15-day trip.
And some more important gadgets which you should carry, it's a power bank. It's very important, and we are carrying a 20,000 mAh power bank because it's very important, and a small handy camera to get some good pictures, and
videos too.
And torchlight is also very mandatory because while you're on a camp you might need it anytime. And you should also carry a small scissor, you might need it because you're going on a trek, so it's important. And if you're traveling by flight, make sure that you're keeping this inside your hand luggage.
Don't forget to carry a sipper or a water bottle with you, because you know you will have to purify it sometimes with using a Geolin probably, and you have to keep yourself hydrated while on trek. So carry a water bottle, that's important. And toothpaste, of course, quite needed, and also mouthwash sometimes. And this is just for time pass.
So we have missed out on one of the most important accessories, that's a poncho. So it really helps us on a trek from snowfall or maybe rainfall. So we have missed out on it and we have ordered it. and it will be coming up by tomorrow maybe. So after that we'll be leaving for the trek. So the details of the poncho, like where from we are getting it, the link will be given in the description box.
Also, we are carrying an electric kettle and a hair dryer. Of course, this is not for the trek. There won't be any power, but for sometimes when you feel like having coffee, having Maggie, for that kettle, because we are also on a trip for almost 10 days except the trek. And this is for not only drying hair, but when you keep clothes outside in winter, it gets very cold. When you try to wear the sweater, it becomes cold. Once you blow it up, it's really nice and warm when you get to wear
Helps
it.
you to keep you warm. So that's all. I hope this video is going to help you all while you go on a trek. That's all.
Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
Bye bye. And what are we thinking? And if you're traveling by